Adding different types of links. When you add a simple link to a web content display, the default setting is for the link to take you directly to the new page, forcing you to leave the community site and requiring you to navigate back should you want to return. But there are a variety of different options when creating your link that can enable different scenarios. Let's look at a few of these options. To begin, log in to your community site as an administrator. Now, go to the page where you would like to place your link. Let's add it to the Join page. Say we would like to post a link for more information at the bottom of the page. To do this, first we'll have to add a new web content display. So, make sure that the Toggle Edit Controls box in the gray bar at the top of your screen is checked. Then, click to open the Add menu in the gray bar at the top of your screen. Though there is a web content display option, for increased control over the location of your display, scroll past it and click on More. A search box will open. Type in Web Content Display. When you see the application, click down on it and drag it to where you would like to place it on the page. Let's put it at the bottom of the page. To open the web content display, click on Add. The content editor will open. Give your display a descriptive name. Now, scroll down and click inside the content box. Let's do a little demonstration with the different options you have for making links. We will make 3 different links to the same place, but each one will have a different setting. First, type in the text that you would like to make clickable. For this example, let's say, click here for default example, and then for the other links, click here for pop-up example, and finally, click here for new window example. Now, let's make our first example link. Highlight the text that you would like to make a link, then click on the link icon in the toolbar. A link box will pop up. To make sure you have the correct URL, open a new browser window and go to the page you'd like to link to. Then, copy the link directly. Now return to your community site and paste the URL directly into the URL field. Now, let's make this the default example, so we will not choose any additional settings. Click OK. Now, we'll repeat this process, but with the other link types. Then we'll go and test them. Next, let's make a pop-up link. A pop-up link will open a new page in a new window, so that you can browse the link, and then close it or minimize it for later, and keep using your community site. We tend to recommend this option as best, but let's see how it works. First, highlight the text that you would like to make clickable. Then, click on the link icon in the toolbar. The link box will pop up. Paste the same URL, and then click to highlight the Target tab in the top. From the Target drop-down menu, select Pop-up Window. The pop-up window itself will have several features you can choose from. We recommend that you click on the box Resizable. This will allow your members to resize the window that pops up. And also, scroll bars. This will allow them to scroll up and down in the window that pops up so that they can see all the content. With these settings, the window that pops up will be the same size as the window you're currently using. If you'd like to make it smaller so that the user can see both the pop-up window and the community page behind it, set the width and height of the window. We recommend 880 by 600. Press OK. Now let's make the final link. For this example, we're going to make a new window link, so that when you click on the link, a new tab opens, taking you directly to the page, but allowing you to go back to the community page in the remaining tab. So, let's highlight the text we want to make clickable, click on the link icon in the toolbar, and copy the URL into the link box. Now, go back to the Target tab and select New Window from the drop-down menu. Then click OK. We have now made our 3 examples. Let's see how they work. Scroll down and click Publish in the content editor. Now, if we click on the default link, we will be taken directly to the page that we linked to, and we'll have to navigate back to return to the community site. Now, to go back, now let's try the pop-up example. If we click on the pop-up link, a new window will appear. We'll be able to browse this window, and then when we're finished, either minimize or click out and we'll immediately be back at our community site. This is why this is a recommended example. Now for the last example, when we click on the new window link, a new tab will open and we'll be taken directly to it, like this. However, if we'd like to save this tab, or just return to our community site, we can easily click on the remaining tab and return. So, next time you create a new link, keep in mind that you have several options to define how that link will behave.